Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is a response to the tragic loss of one of the Rough Diamond recipe team. Maybe I should explain. It was on returning from the pub one evening the incident happened. Turn the oven on, sweetheart, we'll have dinner.
Okie dokie.
And on closer inspection the following morning, one of the founder members of the Rough Diamond recipe team had cooked its last meal. But you can't keep a good YouTube channel down, so 24 hours later a replacement was installed. Well, that's the new oven in place. What are we going to cook in it for the first time? It's got to be something that shows off the new oven. I know what we can cook, it's obvious. Giant Yorkshire pudding! So welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. As you heard, today's recipe is giant Yorkshire puddings. A full list of ingredients, such as they are, can be found in the description box below. When it comes to the amount of ingredients used to make the Yorkshire pudding batter, we find doing it by volume is best, because you can scale it up or scale it back how best you feel. And it makes it so much easier to scale up or down. You can make one small Yorkshire pudding or 10 giant Yorkshire puddings. Just use the volume method. And for the volume of Yorkshire pudding mix we want to make today, using 3 eggs and the equivalent volume of flour and milk. And to make the batter, just simply put all these ingredients with salt and pepper to taste in a suitable container and mix up well. And that's the batter made. Simply put aside till you're ready to cook. And when you are ready to cook, preheat your oven to 230 degrees C. Then put a generous amount of oil into whatever oven-proof container you're going to cook the Yorkshire puddings and place in the oven to heat. Then when the oil is up to temperature and smoking, remove from the oven and pour in the batter mix. And then it's back into the oven. Don't make the rookie mistake of opening the oven door before they finish cooking. And 15 minutes later, there you have it, giant Yorkshire puddings. You could of course serve this with any roast dinner, or any meal you like really, but we just happened to have some beef casserole on hand, so we used that. And them Yorkshire puddings soaked that gravy up a treat. As normal, we do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.